Updating your payment information on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing details are current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the account for which you want to update the payment information. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down, select Account Settings and then choose Account Settings again from the submenu. Step 3. Go to Subscription. In the Account Settings window, find and click on the Subscriptions tab. This will display your current subscriptions associated with your Outlook account. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Enter new payment details. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment information. This may include credit card details or other payment methods. Once you have entered the information, make sure to save the changes. After completing these steps, your payment information will be updated successfully. Regularly checking and updating your payment details can help avoid any interruptions in service.